Hello guys, good morning. So, good afternoon na pala. Oy, what time is it? It's 1:52 na ng hapon. At, yeah, almost 2 o'clock na. And, yun. Alis po kami. Punta tayong, anong tawag nito eh? Harbor Freight. And, ang cellphone ko mga loves is, we're going to return this. I-return. And, yan. So, let's do it. May storm, iniwan namin si Roxy sa bahay kasi nga takot pa naman si Roxy guys. She doesn't like storm, wind, rain. She got it from me. So no one will go out. No one is really going out.
We're on the way back. It's still there. Right there, it's a little branch.
Yeah.
You can't lift it.
May kahoy na nahulog sa sanga dahil sa hangin kasi stormy nga. Hangin is a wind. You see hangin. Han. Ay, nagitunong man sa bangag ko eh. Hangin is a wind.
Hanging is the wind?
Hangin.
Hanging?
And careful driving, love. Are you sure you want to drive? Can I drive? Go. Can I go drive over there to go Harbor Freight?
No, you cannot. You cannot drive it.
So he want seriously, honey. He want me to film. It's right here, love.
Yeah, I know where it is.
He want me to film the Anova. He want me to film
Canova? Canova, Louis.
Ay, dami mo yung kaloka. So let's go na.
Okay, Canova.
He want me to film him.
I just want proof that this is done.
Yeah, he want me
I
to
don't want
film.
something to go wrong and they go, well, we never got it, so too bad. Why should we put money?
Because he's an actor, mga darling. Tara. You have to close it off. And then let's go. Ulan, mga loves, no? Ulan. Hi, ulan. I really think you're a bad guy. Bad guy. Why you're not bad on me, honey? Be bad to me, love. Spunk me. Spanking.
I just noticed stupidity. Look behind you, see the stupidity?
Yeah,
See
no.
how fast he was coming up? When he saw I was turning into the street, he just sped up because he wanted to close that gap.
Nagyaw-yaw na kung bala.
Then, because I came out, he got really pissed off and sped up more.
Nagyaw-yaw ka, love.
What?
Nagyaw-yaw akong bana. Uy, luoy, manuwi. Bagyo ba ya? Bagyo ba ya? So, Tommy is planning to spend money. Huh?
That place says closed for vacation for a year already.
Which one? Okay, speed up, hon. 65, honey. The idiot is here. Go ahead, hon, because the idiot is gonna come to you, honey. The other side. Look. Look, the guy. Don't speed up, huh? Just look at this guy here.
Don't care.
He is.
Let him go.
Yeah. Watch out. He's gonna be combining. If I were you, you should go merging. You should keep going.
Let's see how balls for him.
Slow
If that man
down.
has any balls whatsoever.
Slow down, love. Slow. Just 65 here. That's why he's like, huh?
He don't like it. He's like, you see, ain't got the balls out of there, really.
Just,
That's him sliding and van turns sideways.
not seriously. Drive careful, hon.
Why, it's 55 mile an hour zone here. I'm not even doing 55 yet.
I know.
So then what are you talking about?
You're always happy when we go to Harbor Freight. I like this house, guys.
And how often do we go to Harbor Freight? Seriously. You never go to Harbor Freight.
Because I don't like
It's like
it.
twisting your arm. And then you never go in.
I don't like
You
doing it there.
don't like it. You don't have no idea what it's like because you've never been in there.
I've been there with
Once.
you. I've been there with you.
One time maybe inside? Really?
So, andito tayo ngayon sa Walmart, mga loves. Katatapos lang ni Tami katatapos lang pala niya nag-shopping sa, where did you been? Harbor Freight, and then yan siya nag-shopping, and then ngayon shopping na naman siya kasi nga mahilig sa shopping si Dudong Tami. And then maraming damit dito, look, oh. Uy, $5, Tami. May $5 dito, oh. $5? Is this the price is alright? The price is... Walang price. There's no price, honey. I like this. Hey, wait for me. Where? This one, I like this. Hold on. Tommy, wait. $5, are you sure? Huh? $5.98?
Yeah, it's a $5 value.
Okay, hold on.
$5.
There's no bigger than this.
Let's see what this is.
$5, mga darling.
$5.
Ay, there is over there. Can you find large in this one?
What size is this?
Large.
That's large?
Yeah, large.
Large and green?
Yeah. There's nothing, right? Like it. Ay, diba?
No green.
No. Okay, let's go. Ang mura ng mga damit na gusto ko. They have $3 over there.
That's what we're going around here.
So guys, so alis kami mga ka-YouTube. Kumusta po YouTubers? Alis kami kahapon. Nag-grocery si Mr. mga darling. And then hindi na naman daw enough. So mag-grocery na naman. Hindi na nga ako magbihis. Ito na yung bihis ko. Ito na yung suotin ko kasi i-drive ko lang siya. Maybe you can just go alone. Yeah. I have to make a thumbnail, Han. Huh?
I'm fine with that.
You're okay with that?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't buy any more food for dinner, oh, because I'm defrosting stuff, okay? Problemado talaga. Ay. Tingnan mo, oh. Ay, pagka-busy yun niya, eh. Hey. I am cooking something. Look, 2 bags of shrimp, oh. And then burger, okay?
Yep.
And then asparagus. That's it. Get the thing you need. Don't get crazy, honey. We went to the store yesterday and it's crazy. Okay, I'm going upstairs.
Okay.
Well, actually, I don't have lunch, hon. That's why I'm starving. Do you want to eat something?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
What am I gonna have? Oy, the chicken picada ba? It's really good. Nagluto ako ng ano. I don't feel like cooking any chicken picada yet. I'll do it when I feel like cooking.
You have to eat it.
Huh?
Just heating it. Oh.
I'm talking about cooking it from scratch from the beginning of the world. So ngayon galing po ako sa labas, nagluto ako ng burger and then yun sobrang init, no? Luto tayo, bahala na sa Batman, kami lang dalawa, luto tayo ng luto. So ngayon magluluto na naman ako ng 2 shrimp at yun si Mr. galing sa grocery na naman siya mga loves. So kahapon nag-grocery siya, di ba? At ngayon grocery na naman siya. So ako naman lulutuin kung anong meron. Maghintay pa tayo kung mga sira na ito, no? Maghintay pa tayo. Sabi ko sarili ko, itong mga binibili ni Tami, kung kinikip pa ito. Kung kinikip, ang daming shrimp. Oh, tayo lang, kami lang masarap talaga ang shrimp. Lalo na kapag wild caught. O, tignan nyo, pink lang agi. Kapag wild siya, mga loves, pink. Kapag farm siya, gray. So, ang gagawin ko is, anuhin natin siya ng maginaw na tubig para mag-defrost siya ng madali, no? And then, pagkatapos niyan, punan ko siya ng kanyang shell kasi ang ating ang ating afam hindi po kakain pag merong shell, no? So kaya ang gagawin ni Inday Marian is linisin mamaya. Pero for now, defrostin muna natin ito, defrostin. So yun, ganyan talaga ang buhay ni Inday Marian mga loves, luto, burger. At bumili pa talaga siya ng mga karne sa tindahan. Sabi ko sarili ko, wala na itong katapusan si Mister. Wala na. No, tignan niyo yung asawa ko mga darling. Tignan niyo naman yan. Diba? Busy. Ano yung mga inano dyan dito, be? Let's see what is this. Ay, tingnan yung mga love. Bala man pala ito, eh. Ang daghan nagbala ni Mohan, oy. Asa man kamuad to? Naka ito ang gira? Daghan na gud nimo bala, mura man kag kuan. Uy, asa ka ni ba kadto ni makig-away ni ba? Daghan nagbala ang dudong, eh. Ka nagbalo. Uy, bugatahan. This is very heavy, han.
Yes.
Oh my gulay. Oh. Careful, your back. with Timurulay. So yun, magluto na in the mirror. Huy! Hi, little man! I've been looking for you. I've been looking for you. Where you been? You just lie down here? Oh, my lucky man. My lucky man. It's okay. I'm not gonna chase you. I'm not gonna chase you.